today we are going to use our special treatment. So I'd like you to watch me very, very carefully so that we go through this deep treatment together and see how our natural hair is going to look. So first, we have started with our MDC shampoo, and we're going to first wash the hair. Then after washing it, we start adding our natural treatment. So this is how we can mix our treatments so that our hair can be more healthier. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, this is the only channel that you always find different types of hairstyles, and I always make sure that I upload it every day for you to learn. So here is, I'm trying to detangle the hair, or not even detangle it, we just try to comb it so that we achieve our natural treatments. And yes, this is how it is. Then we're going to add it in, and then we do the deep treatment. Yes. And again, well, most of the times whenever we do these things natural, yes, we make sure that we keep it natural. Okay, we make sure that we keep it natural in the way of like taking all these procedures to make it very, very nice. So guys, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to click on the red button, ring the bell, and yes, I would like to welcome all the return subscribers. You're most welcome, and those ones who have been following me ever since we started, may the Lord keep blessing you. So when we're done with all that, we're going to wrap our banana leaf, and this is how it looks. Yes, we wrap it. Since when we use the cap that is with the polythene, it is also has its chemical, like whenever you're steaming, and those chemicals, they also wouldn't want them also to enter into our hair, so we use these so that it remains natural. Then after it all, you make sure that you wrap it very well. And I guess most of you cannot find this where you are, but since we still have a chance to get this, that's why we are using it. And of course, if you don't have it, you can use anything else that you think is somehow better than this. So we do it this way, and then since someone would be wanting, like if you want, like your client, if your client is rushing, that's when we add on the steam. But sometimes we just wrap it and then you stay there without the steam, and just like 45 minutes, 1 hour, and then we remove it when everything is just inside like that. So let's wash it out and we start our plating. And today the hairstyle we're going to do is so very, very interesting, and I would like you to going to be somehow speedy so that we can understand it. But I'll make sure that we really do understand this process from the beginning to the end, and we get to see how this is going to look like. If you make all this process for your hair, trust me, at least there is that you will get the good results after. So let's do the plating and we get to learn.
You got the touch of a CROCHET master, yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Wayingite wangoyaka, Maurice, the CROCHET Master, did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master yabako kolangako ako toto wansa beauty na chichayo engeri jonjumye okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, the crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Oh no 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 no, nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the Maurice cup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master yabako kolangako ako toto wansa beauty na chichayo engeri jonjumye okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, the crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Oh no 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 no, nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no no, Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No no no, he got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah, a touch of a crochet master, Maurice. Yeah yeah, he got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Maurice. Your crochet master, Maurice. Your crochet master, crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. It's so good. Yeah, yeah.
So guys, I was trying to let you know that this is an amazing hairstyle that we're going to do. So let's try to add in our MDC anti-itchy oil, and this is how it looks like. Yes, you can search it. The link is in the description. I've added it in. And then here we are going to do all at once the makeup and then as we are plating. So I was trying to show you those pictures that if you have any spring trace hair extension, it can come out nicely with this hair extension. As long as if you cannot get this hair extension, you can use the spring twist. It will work for you, and then you do it anti-clockwise. Okay, yes, you do it anti-clockwise. It is going to work for you. So let's do the process and see how all this is going to look like. And please, if you're watching the video, I would like you to comment by rating this hairstyle from 1 to 10. Yes, and we see how it is gonna be.
Jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers.
Yes, so after all this is done, I'm here trying to do the finishing. And this is the most important thing that we always wait for. When you have done everything, then you go back to do the finishing, because once you don't do this, then it becomes hard for you. So this is how it looks. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and as I said, let's go right in the comment section. Rate this hairstyle from 1 to 10. Yes. Bye-bye. May the Lord bless you. And don't forget to give me a like.
Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimu bachikola from the art. Obukugu bwa pulo temuli muyiga bonna bakiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master muwi him a run them. Kuchemviri bakubwa balinga high.